Hello everyone, welcome back to another JavaScript problem. So today we are going to solve another classic problem, which is bubble sort algorithm. All right, so we are being given an array and we have to sort it in the ascending order. And I hope the people or the students who must be watching my video must be younger in terms of age, and I also believe that you must be studying in your school. So I understand that should be difficult for me to explain y'all, but I will try my best. Trust me. So I'm going to read out the prompt. So we are being set to implement an bubble sort algorithm for the given list of integers in ascending order. All right, and we have been given an input. Okay, so basically we'll be giving making a function which will be having input as array, and then we have to actually sort it in the ascending order. So let's get started. I'm gonna name it as bubbles or touches. All right, I'm gonna write a function again. Function's name we can write as bubbles sort. Let's say bubbles sort. Then we're gonna say, okay, all right. I'm gonna go and just pass this thing as an argument. All right, so then my very first thing is I'm going to have two for loops. All right, I'm going to have two variables, I, and then I'm gonna say till n, or in my case, because we are starting from 0, I'm gonna say -1 and I plus plus. All right, and then I'm gonna say let j equals to 0 and then j less than or equals to, okay, it should not be equals to, n minus I minus 1. All right, so I mean, I just want you to make you understand why am I using this two for loops first. So basically we have to go in, I mean, we have to compare every element with other indices of the array. All right, so we will have to have a for loop for uh, going through all the other elements in the array, and one for loop for keeping a track of the current array. All right, so basically for current array we're using I, or the outer for loop, and the other elements we are using, or the second comparison we are using is the inside for loop. All right, so I'm gonna start by I'm gonna start by comparison now. I'm gonna say if j, okay, we are gonna swap after we see a condition being matched. J plus 1. All right, and then we're gonna swap it. So I'm gonna quickly write it. All right, and then I'm gonna return the array, and then we're gonna say input, and we need the result. All right, so I'm gonna quickly do that. Console dot log dot bubble sort. Gonna say bubble sort, and then we're gonna say input array. I'm sorry, this time I'm going to be fast enough for us to understand. I mean, fast enough of implementing the console part of it. I'm gonna say node bubble sort JS. All right, so as you can see, I've solved the problem and it was real quick. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna post such great videos